A web crawler in a self-contained Python file. I have found lots of scrappy tutorials, such as this good tutorial, that all need the steps listed below. The result is a project, with lots of files, project.cfg plus some.py files plus a specific folder structure. How to make the steps, listed below, work as a self-contained Python file that can be run with Python mycrawler.py. Instead of a full project with lots of files, some CFG files, etc., and having to use scrapy crawl myproject.json. By the way, it seems that scrapy is a new shell command. Is this true? Note, here could be an answer to this question, but unfortunately it is deprecated and no longer works. One, create a new scrapy project with scrapy start project myproject. 2. Define the data structure with item like this. 3. Define the crawler with. 4. Run with.
You can run Scrapy spiders as a single script without starting a project by using run spider. Is this what you wanted? Now you can run this with scrapy run spider myscript.pyout.json.
Scrapy is not Unix command, just executable like Python, Java, GCC, etc. BCZ. You are using framework. For this you have to use command given provided by framework. One thing you can do is create a bash script and simply execute whenever you need, or execute it from some other program. You can write crawler using erlib3. It's simple.